in the time of Musa A.S. There was one man, very, very sinful. At the time, there was drought. So Musa A.S. made dua that, oh Allah, send rain upon us. So Allah Ta'ala said, I cannot send rain until there is a person in your group. If he leaves that group, then I will send down rain. So this person, Musa A.S. made announcement that there is someone who has sinned so much, because of him Allah Ta'ala is not willing to send down rain. Please leave. Now in the huge assembly, he says, if I come out, people will see me. I will be ashamed. People will rebuke me. So in his heart, he made Toba. In his heart. Imagine how merciful Allah Ta'ala is. In his heart, he made Toba. Oh Allah, please forgive me. Oh Allah, please cover my faults. Oh Allah, let people not know that it's me. Oh Allah, please forgive me. And immediately it started raining. So Musa A.S. said, oh Allah, no one left the group. No one left the assembly. And yet the rain came down. Allah Ta'ala said, oh Musa, he made Toba. He asked me sincerely for forgiveness, so I have forgiven him. And now, therefore, I have sent down rain. So Musa A.S. said, oh Allah, tell me who he is, so I can congratulate him. So Allah Ta'ala said, oh Musa, when he sinned, I covered his sins. Now when he made Toba, why shall I open his sins? Why shall I tell you who was the sinner? So this is Allah Ta'ala, is Ghafurur Rahim. Make dua as much as we can. And the best dua, what we learned in the hadith, Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'afu anni. Make dua in our own languages. Allah Ta'ala loves, when a person, when a banda, when his servant communicates with Allah, Allah Ta'ala loves it.